Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a nice classic Christmas holiday look like this. Something that you can wear to a holiday party. So if you guys enjoy the video, please make sure you smash that like button for me. That will mean the absolute world. So yeah guys, let's stop jibber jabbering and get right into this look. To start the video today guys, we're going to go in with our P. Louise base in the shade number 2 like we always do for our eyes. Alright, now we're going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill and the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette right here. And we're just kind of doing a neutral look today. So we're going to go in with these shades right here between here and here. We're going to mix these shades up just to get a nice neutral color to kind of match our skin tone a bit. And just a little warmer than our skin tone. So we're just going to go in with the fluffy brush. We're going to be applying that all over the lid. Now we're going to go in with the Suva Beauty Hydro Liner in the shade Grease, like we normally do. And we're going to do our wing liner, and we'll be right back after we're done. Alright, now that we have our eyeliner all done, now we're going to go in with some eyelashes. I think today I'm going to go in with the San Diego lashes from Lily Lashes, or the style San Diego from Lily Lashes. These are my favorite ones to use. They're very elegant, great for a classic look like this. Alright, now that we have the lashes on, we're going to go ahead and we're going to apply our lipstick, and then we're going to add a little bit of highlighter, and that will complete our look today. So let's jump right in here. For the lip products, we're going to be using the Ace Beauty lip liner. And for the lipstick, we're going to be using the Hank and Henry cream lipstick in Ti Amo. It's a nice pretty red shade. It comes in this really pretty component. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to line our lips. Now we're going to go in with the lipstick, and we're going to fill in the rest of that area now. I decided we're going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. So we're going to go in with a goldish highlighter for this look today. We're just going to go in with a highlight brush today, and the highlighter brush that we're going to go in with is a Morphe one, like we always go in with because we love Morphe around here. So I'm going to spritz my brush with some setting spray just to intensify the highlighter a little bit more. Then I'm going to put it right in that highlighter like so. Tap any excess off. Alright guys, that is all for our Christmas look today. I hope you guys like this classic holiday Christmas look. Something that you can wear to any kind of event, really, honestly. But it's a very good one for the Christmas holiday time. When you don't have a lot of time to get ready or anything like that, you can throw on a classic look like this and you can still rock the party. And it looks really good with an elegant dress too, because you're not overdoing it. Alright guys, I will catch you in my next video next Wednesday. See you in the next video. Peace.